What's up guys, my name is Morgan and welcome to Sound Select Johannesburg. It's that time of year again for another exciting Sound Select auction, and this time around we're doing it on a weeknight to cater for all of those that couldn't make it on the weekend. You can expect 50% off the value cost on all new and second-hand products, including some of the industry's latest equipment. I'll be the auctioneer and I hope to see you on Thursday the 1st of June 2023. Auction kicks off at 6 p.m. sharp. With over 150 items to be sold, this is an auction you simply cannot afford to miss. Tickets are available right now in store or online, so head over to soundselect.co.za and secure your spot now. A ticket will cost you 250 Rand and is fully refundable if you don't end up purchasing anything at the auction. Use this unique code when purchasing your ticket and you'll get a further 2.5% of anything you purchase at the auction. So stop playing games and get your tickets now.